Hi guys, welcome to my office, and this is taking some time to get the right colours and everything I wanted for the office. I wanted the colours just right for the office, and I went for a green. It's a very pale green. Don't ask what type of green it is if you want to get it. I would have put a link below, but I forgot what the colour is. My partner Michelle, she knows what the colour is. She bought it, and yeah, it's his history. So guy doesn't know the bloody names of that. So yeah. So anyway, this is the office. I'm going to give you a little tour. So firstly, we will start with my camera gear. My camera gear is in a lovely cupboard that a joiner done for us, bespoke. He designed it the way I wanted it to be, and it's just simple. It's two shelves, and the top shelf is all the lenses and camera, and bottom shelf there's mainly just all the lens cloths, batteries and drones, etc, etc. So that's that. And the desk, I now have got two screens and just the extension to get a bit more, more room to put my applications up, and it makes it more easier to edit. I do recommend it, guys, getting two screens. Got a standing desk which does the job. Like a lot of photographers these days, going for standing desks, like anyone these days actually, because what it does help back. You can stand up, of course, for a short period of time, or indeed a long period of time, and you feel much better. I also got, of course, a place where all my cameras are, retro cameras and D850, etc. And some pictures on the wall. Speaking of pictures, I did mention to you before that I decided to follow Simon Baxter's footsteps and go for a magnetic paint so I can place my images on the wall when I want to. And it does work very well, actually. Now, Simon went for, I think it was 4 coats he went for, then he painted over it. I went for 6 coats. Let's just say it's strong, very strong. And as you see here, the images look really nice and spaced out there, and I can take them down, I can shuffle them about, put new images up every week or so. The part I enjoy most is the bookcase. The bookcase has got all my books. I love books, I love reading, I love getting to know different things like history. I enjoy trees as well, and I've actually took a shine to trees more since I've been doing photography. And I've always had a passion to know what I'm shooting and what type of species of tree. So that's why I bought all these books on trees, as you see here. Actually quite a lot. And yeah, just I've got some nice touches to the house. I got a bonsai tree, yep, and other plants that are dotted around the house as well. So yeah, also this is Michelle's idea. She got me a lamp, and the lamp itself is no ordinary lamp. It's actually an old-fashioned looking camera lamp. So when I say camera lamp, I'm talking about the lights. So you've got like what appears to be a tripod and some type of light on top of it, as you see here. And my tripods are at the bottom. You can see my tripods here, of course. And yeah, just some nice touches around, just to make it look livable and easy to work in. For me, it makes me more productive when I've got more space to work in. I think a lot of landscape photographers say that too, or indeed anyone that works from home. So this is really good. I'm enjoying this new setup, and I'll probably make a few more changes through time. So guys, back to the other news. I have got a new camera. Now, as you're probably well aware of, back a couple of weeks ago, I took my camera out. I was on a photography jaunt with Ian Bowie, and took the camera out of my bag, switched it on. There was no power coming from the camera. My camera is not working, and we've just travelled about 2.5 hours up here, and my Nikon D850 is not working. Just turned it on this morning, and there's no display, nothing coming on. Changed batteries, turned it off and on, done a lot of things, it's still not working. There's no power going through the camera at all. Took it to a camera repair shop in my area, and they said it just seems to be the circuit board. It's like a motherboard, like a computer, but it's for the camera, the circuit board. That's kaput. which take a few hundred to replace. During that time, I thought, why not get a new camera? But also, I'm aiming to get the old camera fixed, possibly if it can be fixed, and they'll have an extra body. So yeah, so I've got the Z8. And why did I go for the Z8? Well, there's two reasons I went for the Z8. The first reason was a Nikon family, and I still have all these F lenses. It saved me money for buying new lenses, etc. Even though it's a mirrorless system, and I still benefit from getting mirrorless lenses, it's more cost effective that way, because right now I've spent a lot of money with this new house, etc. So it's a no-brainer doing that. I have taken it out a couple of times. I haven't mastered the settings as much. I've never used a mirrorless camera before, so there's a few things that are actually new to me. But the live viewfinder on the back of the viewfinder, the live view, as opposed to the LCD screen, is a game changer for me. The Z8 has a cover to cover up the sensor. Now, of course, it's very precarious when, if you've got like a mirrorless system, when you take off the lens, you've got the sensor, there's nothing protecting it, there's no mirror, so it's just a sensor. So it's always best to have that covered. The only thing to me which is just as good, and I'll say this, just as good as a D850, because being 45 megapixel, but it's got all the bells and whistles, which does make your photography easier. That's the only thing I'll say. So guys, don't crucify me and say it's got this, it's got that, it's got that. It's got much better video capability than the D850. The video capability is much better. But I'm not doing a review of it because I think there's other people who do a much better review than me, and I'm absolutely hopeless at reviews. So watch anyone do that. Anyway, I'll leave it there, and thanks again for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio, bye.